Okay, Richard Huntley here. This is one of my favourite exercises on the ground that you could do. It's a go-to one. It's very simplistic but very effective with the results. Now, with that being said, we're going to try and work on this exercise in just the space that you've got. And you don't really need tons of room. I'm going to show you an easy level, I'm going to show you a more difficult level for you to try. So what we're going to look at is the squat thrust. If you suffer with back fat or onto the belly fat, anything around the midsection is going to tighten it up. Do this combined with a good diet and you're going to get great results. So here's the setup. 2 hands just placing down, here like this. Feet up, just like in a full-size plank position. And you're going to push up here and you're going to fire the feet back. But make sure when you come up, you can either go deep right through, some people like to go deep right through here, so your elbows on the inside, or you can go more towards your elbows here like this. The key is not to lift your hips too. You see some people, they go like this, they're pushing really up tall. You don't want to go that high. See if you can just come through, keeping a little bit more of a plank position with the arch of the back here. It's a lot better to try. That's the easy version. The more difficult version, single leg. So you're going to come here like this, and then you're just going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then you'll switch sides here like this, and it's going to be a lot more taxing. 1 onto the legs, but 2 also on to the entire body as well. You're going to be incorporating your arms involved there. Heart rate up, big calorie burn all over. Burns body fat throughout the entire day, especially if you've got your diet plan. If you want to pick up a free copy of my nutrition and workout plans, you can pick it up by clicking on the link below. It's a free gift for you. It's called my 7-Day Fat Loss Formula. It's helped literally tens of thousands of people over the years now. I've helped them with this free plan. Great results with it. Give it a go. Try this combination exercise and start to eliminate that back fat for good. See you in the next video. Take care for now.